What if machines weren't just tools, but titans? Welcome to Mr. Bo, where we uncover the rawest, loudest, and most insane machines reshaping our world one crushed car, one exploded stump, one roared revolution at a time. Subscribe now if your heart beats to the sound of steel. Welcome back! Step into the world of powerful sounds. Don't miss the moments that will amaze you with the raw sounds that bring satisfaction. Let's watch these machines destroy everything in their path. We step into an ambitious demolition plan at the scrapyard, where old trucks are crushed to be recycled into materials for heavy industry. Skilled workers, with their expert hands, are sorting plastics and metals, preparing for the next phase. Meanwhile, massive claw machines with sharp steel jaws and giant hydraulic presses dive in to destroy everything, creating a dramatic and powerful spectacle. Meet the Handbreaker VB950DK, a $750,000 beast, powered by 710 horsepower of German engineering. Weighing over 30 tons, it turns cars, steel, and concrete into scrap in seconds. Twin shafts spin at 400 revolutions per minute with hydraulic jaws that crush without hesitation. This isn't processing, it's annihilation. On the 11th of July, 2011, the 67-foot Miz, a former fishing vessel, was dismantled in New Bedford after running aground. Skilled workers used excavators and hydraulic shears to tear apart its wooden hull, salvaging brass and copper, while the rest was set to be burned as fuel in Maine. The Cobra 290R packs 315 horsepower and delivers 2,200 revolutions per minute of crushing force. Paired with the Argus Impactor 250 Evo, it turns reinforced concrete into powder. Built for demolition sites where nothing must survive, especially rebar. Tires? The SSI dual shear M160 doesn't slice at shreds. With twin shafts and low-speed, high-torque action, it devours rubber up to 1 ton per minute. Designed for tire, recycling, landfills, and hazardous waste. One of the most brutal machines in its class. The Bonfiglioli Squalo 1000 isn't just a shear, it's a guillotine for steel. One hydraulic bite and thick metal beams snap clean in half. Made in Italy, this machine handles up to 20 tons, hour and costs upwards of $500,000. Industrial execution at its finest. The Andritz FRX universal shredder was engineered for chaos batteries, acid electronics. Inside its sealed chamber, it separates lead, copper, and plastics with precision, explosion-proof, fire-resistant. It doesn't panic, it processes. The Lindemann EtaCut 2 doesn't crush, it performs a mechanical autopsy. Engine, shell, interiors, each torn down with ruthless logic. Designed for high-value part recovery, it recycles 98% of vehicle mass. Cold, clean, clinical.
Scheiße!
A tank isn't just a symbol of war, it can be a peacetime warrior with unmatched power. Crushing old trucks for recycling, it surprisingly contributes to a greener future. Who would have thought a machine of destruction could help build a more sustainable world? The DW3060 eats tree stumps, green waste, and bricks like popcorn. German-built, 430 horsepower engine with an intelligent overload system that keeps it running under pressure. Built on a 3-axle chassis for mobility and power. Costs? Around $650,000. The jaw crusher's dual steel plates move in sync to crush granite, basalt, and limestone. With forces over 250 kN, it turns boulders into gravel in seconds. Premium models built in Germany fetch up to $150,000. A mining essential. UNARS 40, a compact powerhouse that eats everything from paper to steel rebar. With torque-optimized cutters and low noise output, it shreds up to 1 ton, hour. Ideal for scrap yards and e-waste plants. Compact, deadly, German precision. The Brendenstein chipper connects to your tractor's PTO and shoes through 25-centimeter thick branches like carrots. German engineered, it transforms raw wood into high-quality mulch in seconds. Mobile, durable, and perfect for forestry operations. The Peterson 5710D horizontal grinder is no joke. With 1050 HP and a 60-inch feed opening, it devours full trees in half a minute. Designed for high-volume mulch production, price tag? Around $1 million. The giant bulldozer charges forward. Mountains leveled, boulder shattered. Like a war elephant on the battlefield, it sweeps away everything. Earth and rock are mere prey beneath the steel claws of the ruler of the land. With this incredible power, could any machine possibly defeat it? What do you think? Share your answer in the comments below. Truly a multi-purpose beast! Look, not only does it level the ground in front, but it's also equipped with a powerful ripper at the back, ready to tear through any terrain. During a fierce storm, a truck was swept off the road by a landslide and plunged into a ravine. An excavator was brought in to pull it up, but the cable suddenly snapped. Luckily, nearby people managed to grab the remaining rope, preventing a second disaster. This is a stark reminder that when driving on mountain roads in heavy rain or storms, you must watch the slopes carefully, keep a safe distance, slow down, and, if possible, avoid traveling during severe weather.
อีกนิดเดียว
A
ครับ
little
ใกล้
caution
แล้วครั
can
บใกล้
save
แล้ว
your
โอ้
life. Machines don't just shape materials, they reshape the world, and maybe even the way you see it. If this raw, untamed power gets your adrenaline pumping, smash that like button, tell us your favorite machine in the comments, and subscribe to Mr. Bo for the next jaw-dropping chapter in the wild world of heavy machinery.